Do you need to get the word out about your business or product? Then you need HBMA. It's a new way of advertising that's no risk with a no money down policy. How is that possible? Simple. You pay per view. HBMA creates a broadcast quality commercial designed to get you noticed. Once you're live, you only pay for the views you get. We know that as a small business, budgeting for advertising and marketing can be challenging, especially since most services are so high cost. And there's no guarantee your ad will ever be seen. Why would you gamble with your advertising dollars when HBMA can show you how your ad performs before you ever pay a dime? And best of all, you can track who's watching, who they are, where they are, and when they're watching. This gives you a rare insight to your target audience and potential customers. Let HBMA help you create an online presence and integrate your social media sites. Now you can brand your product or business and connect with millions of fans on Facebook and Twitter. With HBMA, you get a sense of security, verifiable confirmation, and peace of mind, all before you sign the check. So stop guessing if your ads are working. Get proof or don't pay. It's no risk advertising with HBMA.